Okay guys, welcome back to my channel MINI Aceman fully review. Here we have it, the MINI Aceman in full, arguably the star of the show at the Beijing Auto Show. The Aceman is 4.07 meter long, 1.75 meters wide, and 1.5 meters tall, making it play in the B SUV segment. Looking at the outside, it could be described as a baby countryman. The Aceman is solely available as an electric vehicle. The cheapest model is the Aceman E, with a front-mounted electric motor producing 184 PS and 290 Nm of torque, sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.9 seconds, and a claim range of 310 km or 193 miles from a 42.5 kWh battery pack. There is also the Aceman SE, with a more powerful motor, 218 PS and 330 Nm, reducing the 0 to 100 km per hour time to 7.1 seconds, and more importantly, an increase of range to 405 km or 252 miles from a 52 kWh battery. Inside is pretty familiar to the Cooper Electric, with a 9.4-inch center OLED display. Trunk space is 300 liters with a seat-up. The Aceman will initially be built in China alongside the current Cooper Electric, but the both will be built in Oxford from 2026. How much does the MINI Aceman cost in the UK? MINI Aceman E 42.5 kWh at £31,800 and a MINI Aceman SE 52 kWh at £36,300. There are three trim levels: Classic, Exclusive, and Sport, with the John Cooper work model coming later. Deliveries for the UK will start in autumn this year.